Doodly-doo. Alright. I don't see it anywhere. That's weird. Must have just glitched. Wow, there's a carcass up on the hill. Oh. That's so weird when it does that. Why is there an elk carcass like all the way up that hill? Oh wait, that's the one you can climb. Alright. The chase is on. Bite your butt. I'm coming for that elk booty. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, it's this one. Get that elk.
Oh, there's cars?
Yeah.
Did this get an update?
I don't know. It might have. They've kind of been here for a while. But I know, like, you can actually, in the new one, you can sit on cars and stuff now.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. Here, I, like, glitched myself into one. There we go.
Oh, you're inside. Oh.
Yep, you just do the weird jumpy glitch thing. Alright.
I forgot about the terrifying words.
Oh yeah, dude. Another rabbit. Quick snack. You just darted across the land. At least we're not gliding. I bet two can fit in here. Yeah. There we go. Ack, where's the door? There it is.
Should we do like hide and seek again?
We can. I want to do that with more people though.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, that's always great. Whee! Boy, this place is so creepy.
It is.
Ah, yeah, the good old house where I first scared you. Because you didn't know I was in there. There's an elk in here.
Ew, really?
Yeah. It's dead, but...
Oh. Ew, that's disgusting.
I love that you just ran in and, like, saw my wolf eyes and ran away. Well, I can always put out, like, an ad and be like, hey, guys, let's do some hide-and-seek let's plays. Here's the info, you know?
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Mm-hmm.
Dave's bull.
Dave's bull. Oh, I thought you said bull. I was like... I was kind of running around, too, though, and, like, messing with everything. Remember when I was a literal troll? For hide-and-seek? And when you couldn't find me, I showed you where I was and you still couldn't see me.
Good times.
Mm-hmm. Yeet! Aw, man. Wrong spot. Yeet. No, it's gotta be like right against... Yeah, there we go. Get down. Okay. There we go. Then I climb up here and I lay down. And wait for someone to see me. There you go. Then you can run down and go to town. I'm sure we could hear Floppy if we switch to night mode here.
Good old Floppy.
definitely have to say hi to her at least once.
Mm-hmm.
Donut time. I kind of want an apple
Yes.
fritter.
Ooh, those are good.
Yeah. My mom offered to drop by Krispy Kreme on her way home.
Mm.
How for donuts? Oh no. Copper. Oh god, the hiccups. Yes, this is the right way to Floppy. Oh no. This is such a creepy phrase too. Remaking the world one molecule at a time.
Ew.
It's like
I never noticed that before.
it's like that's not scary at all. Okay. Alright. Let's have a floppy party. Oh no.
Oops, I missed the hole.
Oops. That's what she said. Or that's what he said. Alright, Flops, where are you? What happened to Floppy? Why does she deserve this? Where is she?
Doesn't. She needs justice.
Apparently there was a bug where she got out and she was all over the
my
place.
gosh. That'd be terrifying.
I know. I think that was on Wolf Quest 3, but still hilarious. Coyote, get the coyote.
Ew.
Where'd he go?
I got him.
Okay, good. I hear her, but I do not see her.
Where
Is she stuck somewhere? I've seen her get stuck in here, too. Let me see, there's a part of the wall you can glitch out into. She might be stuck. Oh, I just yeeted myself into the wash. Okay. And she's not out here. I had too much to drink, sorry. She's not back there?
I don't know how to get back there.
Well, there's a couple ways.
Alright, Hondo.
Yeah, I know, right? That's what happens when you buy Hondas. I love Hondas, though. They're great cars. They're super cute. I don't see her anywhere. What happened to Floppy?
She's invisible.
I know, this is gonna be titled The Mystery of Floppy.
Put some, like, clickbait
Yeah, I will.
thumbnail.
I will. It'll be like... Did somebody murder Floppy? Did somebody kidnap her? Here, we can try the back way. Which is a
Get out. Get
pain
out.
in the butt.
Oh,
It's kind of a pain in the butt. You have to do a lot of glitching to get up the hill in the first place. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, so you have to come up here. You have to charge, go right at the corner, and try to get in. I almost made it. Or there's that. What's that really weird back way I took this one time? Okay, let's try the other back way.
Alright.
Okay. Ugh, no. I hate this. Okay. So you're gonna see there's gonna be some walls that you're gonna have to glitch through. Or not. Yeah, here. There's one. Kinda just have to keep doing it. I got stuck. Okay, I'm here. And then yeah, you just run down the hill. Or this could be called like wolf thieves or something weird like that.
Floppy, come here.
Yeah. Floppy, flippy, floppy. That's so weird. She's gone. Guys, she's gone.
Someone stole her.
Someone wanted her radioactive body. Now that I know how to do that. Oh my gosh. I still hear you. Don't fall in.
Oh, I fell in.
Good job. Where'd you go? I don't even see your name tag anymore.
I'm inside.
Oh,
the
I see
whale.
you. I've done that before too. Just run up it and jump
Run it.
through.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, see, now I'm with you. Yeah, just run straight up and.
There you are.
Okay, it's over here. And yeah, there you go.
Oh, okay.
You just run straight up, basically. Now I'm gonna watch you rise out of the ground. There you are. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna want to edit all these hiccups out, but that might just be too much of a pain.
Just make it like a side game where they have to count how many hiccups.
That's a good idea. Alright guys, how many hiccups? I just did a quiet one. Alright. I'm stuck in a little crevice. Okay.
Oh, I'm stuck. Come on. Let's go. Come on. You got it, whatever your name is.
Oh my god. I can't.
Oh.
Yes, Floppy, we hear you. We feel the same way. Okay.
Ow.
Did you... I can come back in if you needed guidance.
No, get it.
Okay. Pretty much just run up and then... come around. That was a yawn hiccup mix.
I think I'm almost...
Okay. Just keep jumping. Jumping and running. Alright, there you are.
Yeah.
Nice. You wanna go find some moose?
Yes.
Yes. Well, our moostress is gone. I don't know where she went. We'll have to come back here in a bit and see if she's back.
A little
Stretch.
stretch.
I love that stretch animation. This is just awful. Okay. I've killed a couple foxes on here.
Oh, I forgot they were there.
Because usually they're chill. But sometimes you just want to catch one for the heck of it.
See how many times I yawned too.
Okay. Beaver Dam, Randy's Donuts. Where's Iron Man? He should be sitting in the middle. I'll just Photoshop that now too, because I've got a buffer going on. Okay.
What the heck was that?
Oh, that was a sprinkler. Scared the shit out of me. Okay. Oh gosh. Why is it buffering so bad now? Okay. I'm back online. Oh no no no. Where'd the cougar go? I don't want to mess with him. Maybe it was trying to spawn in an animal. Take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Oh, this is a fox. Hello, fox. Take me home, country road. Oh my god, we're... Okay, you got it. Nice. I was like, where the heck did you guys go? I thought you, like, went through the, bridge or something. I'm also gonna start putting up a counter for how irritated I'm getting. Virginia. Oh yeah, the boobs. I forgot about those.
Oh yeah.
Best place to tell stories of your elders. On top of a gigantic nuclear tank.
Oh, dear God, I was looking at the wrong thing. Oh, there's a fuel cells.
Yes.
Our fuel cells instruments. No, they're on there.
Oh no, I'm stuck in the ladder. Oh no. Oh my god. What am I doing right now?
You are twitching violently.
Can you take a video of it? Ah! Okay.
Oh, there you go.
I hear moose. Let's go. Oh, there. We need an irritability counter too. Oh. Stop. I don't know. I can be judged. I don't see any moose. Oh, wait.
Oh. Is that one?
Yeah, they're right here.
Oh,
Alright, boys, fight to the death. Alright, my bets are on the one on the right.
I go with the one on the left.
Gets your popcorn and
Soda.
some candy, maybe. This is getting intense. Howl and excitement.
I wonder what they would do if I ran into there.
I don't know what happens actually. Oh my god.
Oh, they ran away.
Oh, I win. It was the one on the right. You owe me a moose. Alright. You owe me. I won the bet.
Alright, I'm gonna die.
Alright. See you at the funeral.
What was that one quote he did in that Clone Wars episode? How was my funeral?
Yep, so
Yeah.
to her rightful spot. Oh my gosh. What's the hiccup counter at right now? Like 50?
I'd say 100.
Oh, I'm stuck in the love hole. Oh, the love ditch.
The stuff you forget about, honestly.
I know. Keep getting stuck in it. Alright.
Coyote. Why can't you eat a coyote on this game? Like,
Probably because it wouldn't taste very good.
but food's food.
True. They eat a lot of trash and stuff. Alright. I'm gonna go get some elk takeout. And there's a coyote eating at it, apparently. Oh, he's stuck in the building too. Well, this is my elk. Alright. Boy, this coyote is not smart. Got him. Okay. Oh no. Okay. I thought I was gonna get stuck on him. There's always flies when you come out of that building. It's annoying.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Alright. I'm just transforming to night again. Oh my gosh! Okay. Enough with the hiccups! I'm literally just gonna have to sleep them off.
I hate that.
And this video is definitely not for kids. We've already made several inappropriate jokes.
Oh, I see her.
Oh good, she's back. Her kidnappers have returned her. Or whatever happened. Aw, Floppy girl. Where'd she go? There she is.
Floppy.
The majestic Floppy. What even? Floppy, are you actually the god of this game?
Yes.
Excuse
The
me,
goddess.
goddess. Yeah. How much radioactivity do you have?
All of it.
On a scale of 1 microsievert to several sieverts. Yep, all
Yes.
of it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. It's a very graceful ballet.
I should study this art.
Everybody should. Best dancing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. You're just violently shaking. Are you stuck on her leg? Oh my god.
Okay.
That was great. Oh man. Floppy, we adore you. We respect you greatly. If you heard that hiccup, that was one. That was you, wasn't it?